Hi juniors, welcome to week 9 of Computer Systems and Programming. Yay! Okay, so this Sunday you have an activity prompt due. You've been learning a lot in Python. Yes, I know. So we're going to do a review on the things that you've done already. That would be the math and numbers, the creating conditional statements, and all of the good videos that we've had in the past. And then we're going to introduce something new in loops. And so with that activity prompt, we have 3 projects for you, and I'm actually going to ask the help of AJ to help me explain them. Yes?
It's alive! Okay, so I'm very happy to be here on the last week of the fall. I'm laughing a little bit about the turkey we just made. It was alive. So we're going to have you do 3 projects. Here's the deal. When you're working on these 3 projects, we are not going to provide the answers like we have been. We're going to provide you all the steps. You can think of it as pseudocode. And it's everything you've done so far. So if you look back at our previous videos and your previous projects, everything you need, all the puzzle pieces are right there for you. So it'll be difficult, but it's the only thing you have to do this week. So I'm going to walk through what these are about, just to give you a good sense in a video form, and then there's a lot more details in our activity prompt. So the car budget tool. You're going to make a short program that basically sets up using the monthly cost of gas, insurance, and repair. We will determine whether we can afford purchasing a car. So we'll say if you add gas plus insurance plus repair and it's less than a certain number, then yes, you can afford the car. Otherwise, no, you cannot afford this car. The second program is a little more steps. We're calling it the area and perimeter landing check. So pretend you're flying an airplane and you only have the length and width of a landing zone, kind of like a runway. You will calculate the area and perimeter and basically whether the landing zone is safe or too dangerous to land in. So it's an if-else, it's some math, it's some variables. It is a few steps, but it's incorporating everything we've learned so far, and it's pretty cool because you get to pretend you're flying an airplane the whole time. Finally, as Kim will talk about in just a minute here, we have a video to teach you about loops. We're going to have to teach you more about loops in coming weeks, but that's after the winter break. But we do want you to just have a sense about loops a little bit more, because later on they can get a little complex. So basically all you have to do is for a given list of tasks like dishes, clean bathroom, vacuum, and laundry, you just print out each one is finished. It makes the jobs a lot easier. So it just says dishes, done. Clean bathroom, done. Vacuum, done. Laundry, done. And that's it. So through that video that Kim is making and that you can watch right after this one, you will see how to make a list and add things to every item in the list and print them, which is what a for loop does. And now I'm going to give it back to Kim.
Oh, we're doing this again?
Oh, like this. Not exactly a fist bump. Bye. Great work, everybody, for all these 9 weeks.
Okay, so in addition to the activities, you will have your weekly quiz. As usual, they'll review everything and have a question about loops. Following this video, I will be creating a lesson for you. I'll talk about loops, specifically for loops. But that'll be another fun video you get to watch. And then that is all I have for you this week. Are there any questions? Yes.
How did you come up with these projects?
That's a great question. I'm glad you asked. I definitely had a lot of help from AJ as well as our other instructors for all of these activities. I didn't come up with any of them, actually. Any other questions? I see your thinking faces. No? Okay, no questions. Well, if you do, feel free to email me or reach out to me. But that's all I have for you this week. Keep up the good work.